like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily.
Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, welcome back. So today I'm just gonna make some quick tilapia in cilantro coconut sauce. And here's my ingredients for today, guys. This is my tilapia. I have some ginger here, garlic, jalapeno pepper, cilantro, coconut milk. I'm gonna go in with some fish and garlic salt, fish seasoning, garlic salt, oil, and some masala cooking wine. And that's my ingredients for today. So let's just jump right into it. So guys, this is like 6 pieces of cutlet, and you can just use salt. I'm going in with some garlic salt on my cutlets. So just like a teaspoon. And to this, I'm gonna add some fish seasoning. Optional, okay guys? Guys, with about a tablespoon of oil. With my oven set at 425, I'm gonna line my baking sheet with my fish. Now I have half of a jalapeno pepper. For this I'm gonna go in with 2 cloves of garlic, a half a cup of cilantro, like a teaspoon of chopped ginger. To this I'm gonna go in with half teaspoon and a half a cup of coconut milk. Guys, I'm gonna blend this and I'll see you guys next. So guys, now I'm gonna pour my sauce over my fish fillet. And I'm gonna put this in the oven that is set at 425 for 15 minutes. Okay guys, we're at the end of another segment, and here is my baked tilapia in cilantro and coconut milk. So good. So good, guys. So delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy. It's nice and green, right? I love it. It's so good. As you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. And it's time to feed the soul. Today's scripture is coming from Ephesians 4, verse 26. Be ye angry and sin not. Let not the sun goes down upon your wrath. Guys, don't go to sleep angry. Please, please don't go to sleep angry, all right? You need to wake up refreshed. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, don't let what broke you hold you back from your joyous future. Remember, and guys, please remember that Fergie loves you. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.